Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to our Kids Spirit Break for Thursday, April 2nd. We're going to take just a little bit of time today as individuals, as kids, as families, to just practice being generous with our love, because what we know is that God's Spirit gives us unlimited love, that there's really no way that we can exhaust the love, the divine love of God. That is something that's always present to us. And so because we have so much love pouring into us from Spirit, from that divine nature, we have lots of ways that we can give love out into our world too. So we're going to practice doing that today. We're going to practice centering into that divine love, tapping into that divine presence, that divine Spirit of God. And then sending that love out into our world. So what I'd like to do is just invite all of you to close your eyes and just to picture someone that you love. So if you go ahead and close those eyes and just allow that image of someone you love to come to your mind right now. And picture animals, the things that you love. Picture those right here with us, right here in our virtual circle. Do you have something in your mind? Are you picturing someone or something just yet? So what we're going to do is we're going to send love to those things, to that person in your mind, to that animal in your mind, to that group, to that people. So we're just going to rub our hands together like this. You can feel them starting to get warm as you rub them together. So we rub until they're nice and warm. And then we put them out, facing out into our world. And we send that love through our hands to everything and everyone we have pictured. Because what we know is that whether we're picturing them right here in this moment as I'm recording this, or we're picturing them later, that in the mind of Spirit, they are open and ready to receive. So let's just see everyone that we know surrounded with that glowing light of love that we send them. And because we know that as we give, we receive, we see that same love flowing back to us. You feel that kind of tingling in your body as you receive that love. And so now I'm going to invite you to do just one more thing. I'm going to invite you to envision all of those doctors, those nurses, the first responders, the people who are working on the front lines to help heal those who are sick. Let's take a moment to rub our hands together and send love out to them as well. So that they know that wherever they are, whatever moment they're in right now, they are receiving that same light and that same love. And so we can say, Dear Spirit, thank you so much for giving us so much love that we can give it away and make others feel better. We like sharing our love. We like sharing the divine love of God. And so it is, we say Amen. If you had closed your eyes, you can go ahead and open them. You can lower your hands. And just take some time now to practice sending that love out into our world. The daily word for today was world peace, and it talked about how we could send that peace out into the world, and we know we can do the exact same with our love. So until we meet again on Sunday morning, I would just like to invite you to take that time to send your love out into the world. This Sunday, we'll have a very special activity for you. It's going to involve some markers. It's going to involve some coloring. So we'll do a meditation, and we'll do a little craft activity together this Sunday at 1 o'clock. But until then, I'll see you soon.